Book 4. Time to play. Tommy and Meg, it is now time for you to play. Time for play is fun. The children like to play. They love to have a fun time. Here is a ball. It is fun for the children to play with the ball. Tommy likes to play with the ball. He has fun with it. Look, here is a doll. It is time to play with that doll. I like to have a time for play with my doll. It is fun. That doll is fun for Meg to play with. Now she has a friend for play. She likes to play with that ball too. Can she play? Come here, Tommy. Come play with Meg. She likes to be with you. Can I play ball with you now, Tommy? I like to be with you. Now Meg is happy. Jesus is happy too. Jesus likes it that you and I can be happy, and we are happy. Good! Now all the friends can play with the ball. Look, they can all have fun. They like to be happy. We are friends. We are happy children.